How's it going, YouTube? Sean here. Just coming in with a bike check. I have starting off with a frame. I have a 2010 Chase Hawk signature frame. Uh, Back rim is a Primo Remix laced to a Orion in black, and in the front I have a Demolition Phantom with laced to a Kink Orion again. Primo pegs front and back, gland hubguard in the front, Primo drive side classic in the back, S&M pitchforks, animal headset, S&M race XLT stem, S&M Grand Slam XLT bars, Primo hollow bite cranks. Bottom bracket is a Primo Odyssey twisted pedals. I would usually run black, but I got this for free, and got a United seat, and get these grips. They're amazing. All right, later.